Good afternoon, everyone. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Here is their future car of Hyundai called the Mobis. And we'll give you a closer look if we can get up there. Very sleek. We'll show you the inside. Fenders, tire caps. We'll show you everything there is to show on this car. I believe they have it open on this side. This is their version of mobility for the future. Hey guys, I'm shooting a live video. Thank you. Multi-passenger. Enjoy it. You're going to love it. And this shows what it actually does. Technology. Please let it come to fruition relatively soon. And that's the Hyundai Mobis. Send it back to you in the studio. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network here at CES 2020. Let us know what you want us to see. We are in the telematics hall.